So we are continuing with our video on types of numbers. This is part 2. In part 1, we had done natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. So here we move to prime numbers, and prime numbers is written with a capital P. However, before I explain prime numbers, let's go back to factors. Now, factors of a given number are those numbers which can divide a given number exactly. This sounds very complicated. Now, let's take an example. Let's take the given number to be 6. Now, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. In other words, 1, 2, 3 and 6 can divide the given number 6 exactly. Similarly, if you have been given the number 20, the factors of 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the numbers which can divide 20 exactly. So the given numbers here were 6 and 20. So if I take just 6, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Similarly, if I take 20, then the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now, knowing about factors, now we move over to prime numbers. That's because prime numbers have 2 factors. I'm saying they are supposed to have 2 factors. Now, let's take an example here. I've taken the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 14 here. Let's find out the factors of each of them. So here we are. The factors of 1, for example, is 1. The factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Similarly, 3 will be 1 and 3. 4 is 1, 2, 4 and so on. I've done all of them here. Now, keeping in mind that the prime numbers have only 2 factors. Let's have a look at this. You can see the ones that have been circled have just 2 factors, whereas the others have many factors at times. But if you look at the number 1, it has only 1 factor, that is 1. So we can say that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on are the prime numbers. 1 cannot be considered to be a prime number because it has only 1 factor. 4 cannot be considered to be a prime number because it has 3 factors. Similarly, if you take 6, there are 4 factors of 6. If you take number 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, there are 6 of them there. So in order to understand this, factors was important for us. So I'm repeating, prime numbers are numbers having 2 factors. So what I have given you are some of the prime factors up to 29. And then please note there are many more. The dots over there are showing that there are many more prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 given to you. There are many more factors. Please keep in mind that all odd numbers are not prime numbers. Similarly, the only even number which is a prime number is 2. And lastly, please remember, we've already discussed this, prime numbers are infinite, which means they never end.